What's up, guys? It's July 10th, 2024. Had a nice day for the Bulls. Another bull trend, man. That's crazy. So there's a gap. That's Hey, what? What? Wow, that's a really small gap. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger so we can see, but just know it's like a three-tick gap, I think. And then from here to here is a gap, right? Am I tripping? Can gaps overlap? Oh, no, no, no. I am tripping because the wick is up here. Yeah, there's no gap. Okay. However, there is a gap right here right now from the high of this bar. So I'm going to leave that here so we can see tomorrow how much it closes. You know what I'm saying? Because so right here is the gap. Let me delete that. I'm going to copy and paste it so I don't have. You guys get what I'm saying? It takes 3 bars to make a gap. So we have the support, we have the resistance right now, and then tomorrow's open. We'll either we'll pull back or reverse or go higher. So there's an open gap. A gap is being made. Maybe the overnight session closes it. But I think this will be cool that so we can like just see how the pressure will either stay open or close tomorrow. A lot of bull gaps. Bear gap closed over here. No bear gaps here. Bull gaps are staying open and still going. I really thought the market was going to pull back after that doji right here, but it didn't. So that's great for the bulls. Higher time frame. This EMA is 45. That's the daily. So this blue line is that blue line. And I read the 45-minute chart like I read the 5-minute chart. That's why I have the daily EMA here, because price action is fractal. If I read that if this is like a 5-minute time frame, then it's pretty similar to like you get what I'm saying? It's like same thing, just different time frame. So yeah, let's get into the breakdown. What is this? Oh, what is this? Indicators. Auto fib extension, auto pitchfork. Man, okay, whatever. Gap up. So oops. We've been in a bull trend for quite some time. We just seen it on the daily and the 45-minute. Started to pull back into the higher time frame EMA. It's the 45-minute. And every time we got close to it, the market gapped up. Today we got close to it again and the market gapped up. So there's definitely bulls are buying the EMA. I'm gonna delete that. Gap up. Bar one is a doji, bad for the bulls. Bar two is follow through for bar one. Not a good bear close, not a good bull close. Just kind of it's a range bar at the high of a range. Not a lot of selling pressure, not a lot of bear or buying pressure. But there is a gap up and there are tails, so I'm more bullish than bearish, but I'm not buying nothing yet. Bar three is a trend bar. It's not an inside bar. It's a range bar. We traveled above bar two. Bar four breaks out, tries to make a new high of the day. It does buy a tick, but closes at the bar one with the range of bar one. Bar one's high is 46 even. This close was 45.75, so it closed one tick below bar one's high. Bar five is an inside bar. Bar six is a range bar, so the market is consolidating. Breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, leg one. So I'm counting a leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. And then bears get through those into the EMA. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three-ish. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, pullback, leg four. Wedge bottom, double bottom. I bought bar 19, or is that 18, 19, 20? I bought bar 20. This is a double bottom, so right now the market's going sideways. We don't know if we're gonna break out yet. It's sideways price action. I don't think it's a good short because of all the tails. The very first bear bar had a tail. Every bear bar has had a tail. There's no strong close. Bar 17 had the best close, but we're not even closing below the EMA. We're still closing a few ticks above the EMA. So it's not really that good of a close. Bar 18, follow through, but not breaking out below anything. Not breaking out below the EMA, not breaking out below the swing point. Bar 19 sells off and reverses higher. Bad for the bears, good for the bulls. Bulls are buying the EMA. This is the first touch of the EMA after a gap up and some sideways price action. This is also the swing point, so bulls want this to be a double bottom bull flag. and that's ultimately what they got. I'll just make sure I was on mute. The other day I filmed everything and I was on mute. I was so annoyed when that happened. Okay, so yeah, I bought this bar. I went for a 2R, got tagged here, and then I bought this bar and I got filled here, and then that was my day. Trying to be more conservative in my trades and just lower my trade frequency and see if I can walk this top step account in. So yeah, I think this is a good buy. It's a double bottom, even if it's not a trend day. My PT was gonna be the high from a range play perspective. Failed breakouts with good follow through is a form of a breakout. It has the same type of trap traders. 21 looks like a bear trap, closing just below the 50% level. Bar 20, there are more buyers. I think there are more buyers right here at the EMA than sellers because we're not selling below. Bears aren't even selling lows; they're only selling highs. Then we have a buy the close rally. It's not exactly, so there is a pattern, but it's not orderly. It's a breakout, contraction, breakout, contraction. So big, small, big, small. This is the first pullback right here. Breakout, pullback here. This is the high one. The reason I bought this bar and not bar 29 is because this could have been the start of a pullback, double top. High twos should be coming at a worse price. So if the high two comes at a better price, you could be in a bear channel. That's why I didn't buy 30. I waited for this close and I went for 2R and got filled around the high. This red line is also 1R of yesterday's range. So I thought that lined up pretty well for the day because these bars were also climactic through that. So see, so this range. Oh, wait a minute. I have the wrong day lined up. Well, that's great. Hold on. Dang, I wonder if I traded with the right or wrong fibs. Yeah, no, I still bought this bar and got filled here anyways. I was right below it. Very close. I did have the right fibs up. I must have just not saved it. So this could be also the start of a new breakout because this is a range and we're breaking out. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, wedge top, bear shine, sell, but keeps the gap open. If you're gonna sell, I think it's better to wait for a trend line break and then multiple bear bars below the EMA. The EMA is very sloped, so it's best to just stay long or stay flat if you don't want to short. I'm trying my best not to look for reversals and it's helping me out. You trade reversals, that's great, but it's not great for me. I like to break out to leg 1, leg 2 perspective setups. So leg 1 this is a breakout, pull back leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, pull back leg 5. In small pullback trends, it's kind of silly to count leg if you're looking at fade because you have to recognize how many gaps we have open today. Bears are not closing gaps. There's so many gaps open. Let me draw these in. So if you wanted to get short, you would have to at least let some gaps start closing. And these are rough gaps. They're not perfect. I'm just highlighting them. See? Okay, so we go range bound. Gaps are closing. But there's still a different type of gap right here too. What's that? There's a gap right there, right here. I just like to look at 3-bar gaps to keep it simple. That's what I like to study. So no gaps for the bears. After this third leg here, we go more sideways. And this becomes another bull flag into the EMA. That's a bad drawing. We have 5 pushes down, that's breakout mode. So this would be a leg, and then we consolidating like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess that's 4. Why does that look like 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's breakout mode. So we broke out, pulled back, and then we went for another breakout. Bulls got 2R of the measure move. That's really nice. I wasn't expecting them to get 2R, but on trend days, anything can happen. Al says in the trend books, expect anything to happen on trend days. So where did he say that in the course? I don't. Sometimes I get confused on where I hear these things, but I know I heard it from Al Brooks or Ali or one of the mentors in the. I haven't been in the trader room this year, but yeah. So it's a bull trend day. After the third leg, we see we go sideways. So the market cycles break out. First opposite bar is a channel. If you channel, so we start channeling higher, then we get later in the trend and it goes more sideways. So that's the market cycle. And the market cycle breaks out again with a bull flag. The previous trend can influence the range. So the bulls influence this range. I feel like I'm just rambling on now. Yeah, it was a bullish day. I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you for the support. Thanks for joining the Discord. I'm having fun talking to you guys throughout the day. Yeah, if anyone wants an invite, let me know. The invites on my page are closed. It has nothing to do with it being like a secret Discord. I just don't want to get like I'm still pretty. I'm still like I was 50-50 about opening up the Discord, and now like as it's working out and people are talking, I'm kind of more open to keeping it open. So that's why I just didn't want to have a endless invitation. But if you want the invitation, just let me know. Someone asked for it the other day. I dropped it. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for your support. I'm gonna try and amp up the content. Look out for trends next week. Yeah, I'm reading that. I'm liking it. It is a tough book to read. All Alice stuff is tough. All Alice stuff is tough, and I definitely recommend you guys do your own homework. Please don't rely on me to do it. It's just kind of like, you know, it really helps me internalize what I'm reading if I read it and then make a slideshow about it, and then I read the slideshow and then I teach the slideshow. That's kind of like the cycle of learning. I encourage you guys to do the same thing. Take your time, have fun with it. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Say what's up. Discord. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. How do I turn this off? Bye.